Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. If you wish to reverse the refrigerator and freezer doors on your refrigerator, first make sure the power cord is unplugged. If applicable, remove the top hinge cover and use a 5/16 inch socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 screws securing the top hinge. Support the freezer door as you lift off the hinge. Now lift the freezer door off of the center hinge and set it aside. Remove the washer from the hinge pin. Use a 5/16 inch wrench and the socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 screws securing the center hinge. Support the refrigerator door as you detach the hinge and remove the washer. You can now lift the refrigerator door off of the bottom hinge. Be aware the bottom hinge pin may become detached. Next, unthread the 4 screws securing the bottom hinge. Detach the hinge. Use the reversal kit's removal tool to detach the 2 caps on the left side of the frame. Next, remove the 2 screws and washers. Now align the bottom hinge on the left side, then thread and tighten the 4 screws to secure. Use the screws, washers, and caps to fill and cover the screw holes on the right side of the frame. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw, securing the doorstop to the bottom of the refrigerator door. Align the doorstop on the left side of the door and secure it with the screw. You should transfer some of the grease from the right hinge hole in the doorstop to the left hole. Next, unthread the handle screws from the freezer door. Now move the freezer door stop from the right side of the door to the left side. Transfer some of the grease to the appropriate hinge hole. Next, remove the handle screws from the top of the refrigerator door on the left side. Unthread the filler screws from the right side of the door and thread them into the holes on the left side. You will now need to transfer the hinge hole plug on the top of the refrigerator door from the left side to the right side. Do the same for the hinge hole plug on the freezer door. Now transfer the door handle hole plug on the front of the refrigerator door from the right side to the left. Next, remove the 3 caps from the left side of the frame, along with the screws and washers. Use the screws, washers, and caps to fill and cover the screw holes on the right side of the frame. Confirm that the bottom hinge pin is inserted into the appropriate hole in the hinge, and the washer is intact on the pin. Now position the refrigerator door on the hinge pin. Slide the washer over the lower portion of the center hinge pin and insert the pin into the hole on the top of the refrigerator door. Hold the door in place as you realign the center hinge on the left side of the frame and secure it with the screws. Remove the hinge screw hole plugs from the top left side of the appliance and move them to the right side. Confirm the washer is on the upper portion of the center hinge pin and reposition the freezer door. With the spacer intact, realign the top hinge and secure it with the screws. If the freezer and refrigerator doors look uneven, you can loosen the top hinge screws to realign the doors. There should be a 3/4 inch gap between the 2 doors. With the doors aligned, tighten the hinge screws. If applicable, replace the top hinge cover. Now align the refrigerator door handle on the door and secure the handle loosely with the 3 screws. Confirm that the handle is straight, then tighten all 3 screws. Snap on the screw cover. Repeat this procedure to install the freezer door handle. You can use a template to help align the brand badge on the freezer door. Ideally, the badge will cover the alternate door handle screw hole. With the procedure completed, plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.